Hello viewers and welcome to a tuning session of Blacktrax performance for my Honda S2000. For those who don't know, my car is a 2007 and it's currently being tuned on a Honda Flash Pro. It has basic bolt-ons like an intake, test pipe, and exhaust, but otherwise the powertrain is all stock. On the baseline run, the car made 217 horsepower and 159 pound-feet of torque at the wheels. Unfortunately, I showed up a little bit late and missed parts of the tuning session at the beginning, but I caught this pretty cool moment when the tuner was basically stepping up the engine speed from idle to the 8400 RPM redline in 500 RPM increments. It's pretty crazy how scary and violent an engine looks at max load, with all the vibrations, noises, all the things going on, when you're standing like 2 feet away from it. And here's a couple of actual power runs. At the end of the day, the car ended up making 226 horsepower and 163 pound-feet of torque at the wheels. More importantly, the mid-range saw a huge jump, which is where these cars typically suffer a little bit, so it should make a huge difference out on track.